Number 1. Survival Kits and Equipment, the ultimate adventure companion. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, and adventurers. For the young man who loves the great outdoors, a comprehensive 14-piece survival kit makes an exceptional gift. This isn't just another gadget, it's a complete safety solution that demonstrates you care about his well-being during adventures. Why it's necessary. Whether he's camping in the wilderness, hiking challenging trails, or simply preparing for emergencies, having professional survival gear provides peace of mind. The kit includes essential items like a survival knife, fire starter, tactical pen, flashlight, wire saw, emergency blanket, and waterproof storage, everything needed to handle unexpected situations safely. The benefit: this compact, all-in-one solution fits easily in a backpack, car, or drawer, ensuring he's always prepared. It's not just about survival, it's about confidence and safety in any outdoor scenario. Customers consistently praise its quality, durability, and the variety of handy pieces that prove useful time and again. Number 2. RFID Blocking. Slim wallet with money. Clip, style meets security. Perfect for young professionals, college students, and style-conscious men. A sleek, modern wallet isn't just an accessory, it's a daily essential that reflects personal style while protecting valuable information. This RFID blocking wallet combines timeless design with cutting-edge security technology. Why it's necessary. In today's digital age, identity theft is a real concern. This wallet features German Institute-certified RFID security technology that blocks signals and protects personal data from electronic pickpocketing. The slim design eliminates pocket bulk while the integrated money clip keeps cash secure and accessible. The benefit: with 11 card slots, including a quick access slot for frequently used cards, and premium vegan leather construction, this wallet delivers both practicality and sophistication. It arrives in elegant gift box packaging, making it a ready-to-give present that shows thoughtfulness. Customers love its masculine appearance, quality craftsmanship, and excellent value. Number 3. Rechargeable Laser Tag Set. Fun gifts for young adults who love action. Perfect for gaming enthusiasts, active young adults, and group entertainment. Laser tag isn't just for kids anymore. This advanced 4-player rechargeable system brings adrenaline-pumping action to backyards, parks, or any open space, creating unforgettable experiences with friends and family. Why it's necessary. Young adults crave interactive entertainment that gets them off screens and into real-world action. This laser tag set encourages physical activity, strategic thinking, and social bonding, all while delivering hours of excitement. The benefit: unlike traditional battery-operated systems, this fully rechargeable gear means uninterrupted play. With 150-foot reach, multi-zone targets, team or solo modes, and child-safe infrared technology, it offers professional-grade features at an accessible price. The set is expandable, so the fun can grow with additional players. Customers report it's a hit at parties and provides excellent family entertainment. Number 4. Engraved Brass Compass. Inspirational gifts with meaning. Perfect for graduates, young men starting new journeys, those who appreciate faith-based gifts. Sometimes the best cool gifts for young adults carry deeper meaning. This beautifully crafted brass compass engraved with "For I know the plans I have for you," Jeremiah 29:11, serves as both a functional tool and an inspirational keepsake. Why it's necessary. During transitional life phases, graduation, career changes, or personal challenges, young men benefit from tangible reminders of purpose and direction. This compass symbolizes guidance, faith, and the journey ahead. The benefit. Housed in an elegant wooden keepsake box with silk lining, this compass is as beautiful as it is meaningful. It works perfectly as a baptism gift, confirmation gift, graduation present, or encouragement token. Customers praise its exquisite craftsmanship, perfect engraving quality, and presentation, noting it's particularly appreciated by those who love travel and exploration. Number 5. High-powered monocular telescope, cool gadgets for adventure seekers. Perfect for nature lovers, travelers, sports enthusiasts, and photography buffs. For the young man who appreciates the finer details of the world around him, a professional-grade monocular telescope with smartphone compatibility opens up new perspectives, literally. Why it's necessary. Whether birdwatching, attending sporting events, hiking scenic trails, or traveling to new destinations, enhanced vision capability transforms ordinary experiences into extraordinary ones. The ability to capture and share these moments through smartphone integration adds modern functionality to classic exploration. The benefit: with 12x magnification, a 60mm lens, multi-coated optics, and Bayak-4 prism technology, this monocular delivers stunning clarity even in low-light conditions. The included smartphone holder and adjustable tripod enable hands-free photography and video recording. Built with waterproof, anti-fog materials and one-handed focus, it's designed for real-world outdoor use. Customers rave about its powerful magnification, crystal clear images, and exceptional value.